So in this video, I want to show you how to actually perform a lab online for this class. You can see we're on our Moodle page, and you have these little links on the side. And if the sidebar isn't there, this button controls that. And you can also scroll down if you want. You want to go to Laboratory Resources. The video that I'm recording right now is going to go right here. The link that you want to go to actually perform a lab is that link there. And you'll go to this link for each of the labs that you want to perform. Let's click on that link. And now what you see here is, well, all of the resources that we're going to use for the online labs for this class. There's a little variation from one experiment to the next, but the basic idea is there's going to be one resource page. If you click on that, open it up in a new window. It's a PDF. You can download this if you want to, or just use it on the browser. But basically, for the particular experiment, it'll be broken down into part A, B, etc. Okay, you can see it there. And it's a mix of different types of data. There's a lot of videos in the resources here. And the video is either the experiment being performed and some information about that video, or like in this case with the meter stick, it's just a video introducing the meter stick, which I feel is giving you enough information to then answer the questions about the meter stick that's associated in part A. Also in part A, there's some additional data and calculations that you need to do. So like here, for example, I've inserted an image. This is specifically for the length of a piece of paper in part A6. If you look at the report sheet, you'll see what I'm talking about. And you'll just use this image to actually record the distance or the length of a piece of paper. Each part has its own data set. Part B is just a few images that you'll use to record the information. And you can see that, again, it's a mix of images and videos for the different labs and the different parts. Also included for each lab, or for most of the labs anyway, you'll have an introductory video. And if you click on that link, it'll take you to a YouTube video. And what I've done there is I've taken the particular report sheet and I've talked about the experiment and I've made notes on the report sheet to help give you some guidance in terms of performing this particular lab and then performing, the particular sections of each lab. And then having the two images side by side here, you can see part A, all right, this is dealing with the meter stick. And these are all the questions associated with the meter stick, again, which I feel the video will do a decent job at answering those questions. And right down here, that part 6A, here it is. You'll use this image here to record the length of a piece of paper in centimeters for this data point. And then notice that I just gave you the data point in inches there. And then you'll use this data to then do this particular calculation here. Again, each lab is set up basically in this format. If we go back to the Moodle page real quick, I just want to mention that once you have this lab completed, then you want to upload it into Moodle. You want to click on that link to see how to do that. Okay, thanks.